Check out this 2024 Volkswagen Crafter van fitted with our carrier Xarios 350 multi-temperature refrigeration unit. Custom shelving to the customer's specification has been fabricated and installed in this conversion. This conversion is designed to give temperature flexibility in both load areas for chill and frozen applications. Polar curtains have been installed at the rear doors to help maintain temperature when loading and unloading of product. This multi-temperature refrigeration unit comes with a dual display controller so the driver can see temperatures in each compartment. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.